Hello friends, in previous lecture we will completed our first chapter solid state and now we will start new chapter, name is solutions. First of all, which is known as solution. Solution means what? Solution means when two or more than two homogeneous component mix with each other, then formation of solution. Homogeneous means same, mix with each other easily. Second thing, hetero. Hetero means different, same is different. Second, solution. Solution means two or more than two homogeneous component mix with each other. It is known as solution. Clear? Second thing, in your textbook first introduction is given. In this introduction, solutions and component means which type of component we will use in our daily life. Then most popular alloys means brass, German silver and bronze. Brass means mixture of which two metal. Then copper and zinc. When these two metal mix with each other, then formation of brass alloy. Second one is German silver. German silver and third one is bronze. In German silver, which metal present? Here copper and zinc. Okay. Then here in German silver, copper, zinc and nickel. These three metal when present, formation of German silver alloy. Next, third one is bronze. Bronze means which two metal present? Copper and tin. These two metal when present, then easily we can say this one is bronze. This one is very most important for multiple or MCQ type questions because brass means which two metal attach with or mix with each other, then copper and zinc. German silver is equal to copper, zinc and nickel. Then after bronze, copper and tin. Clear? Next one is when fluoride present in its ionic medium and its concentration value is 1 ppm, 1 parts per million. That is good for our teeth. Means teeth bones is very strong when fluoride ion present in its concentration amount 1 ppm. But when this fluoride ion more than 1 ppm like 1.5 ppm, then this one is how to indicate and which type of effect of our teeth. Then some spots or color of teeth is dull. This type of these types of indicated symptoms or coloration for due to fluoride ion concentration effect is when more. Next one is, suppose some fluoride ion present and its concentration value when reaction with some metal like sodium fluoride solution or concentration formation, then this one is a very poisonous, and this one used for rat when rat poisonous, then formation or which type of solution present, then sodium fluoride. Second thing, in this chapter generally we will use liquid solution because solution present in three types of solution: liquid solution, gaseous solution, next one is solid solution, and these three solution has different parts, and total 9 types is formed. But before types of solution, I will tell you some definition. Why? Because this one is used in this chapter. Friends, this one is solution definition and this one is MCQ question. Clear? Now, second one is solute and solvent. Which one known as solute and which one known as solvent? Here, when word present solvent, solvent means the component largest or highest, largest quantity, the component present in their largest quantity. This one indicated it is solvent. Second one is solute. Solute means the component present in their smallest quantity. It is known as solute. Here, most important two words present. One is largest, another one is smallest. Largest amount when present, then this one indicated solvent. When component amount value or amount present in smallest quantity, then it is indicated this one is solute. Solution means so many types of solution. Most popular example for solution is glucose plus water, either lemon juice. When this lemon dissolve in water, then formation of solution. Solvent, largest amount present. This one indicated solvent. Suppose here water works as a solvent because its amount is high. or largest. Plus when we will prepare lemon juice, then here addition of water plus lemon, either glucose solution prepared, then water plus glucose, and lemon juice, then water plus glucose plus lemon plus salt. But here water amount present in more quantity, that's why this one known as solvent. Okay, how to prepare? Then here suppose addition of glucose plus salt NaCl plus second one is lemon. These three works as a solute. Why? Because its amount is less than solvent. That's why. In solute, same water indicated largest amount. That's why this one water known as solvent. And other three works as a solute. That's why we can easily identify which one is solute and which one is solvent. Clear? Next definition is binary solution. Binary means what? Here word present binary. Binary solution means when two component present or these two component mix with each other easily, then we can say this one is binary solution. Suppose here we will use water plus glucose only. Clear? Water works as a solvent and glucose works as a solute. These two components when we will use and formation of one solution. That's why easily indicated this one is binary solution. Next, then after types of solution. How many types of solution is present? Then we will start how many types of solution? Total 3 types of solution, but these 3 types divided into further 3 types and convert into total 9 subtypes. Means types of solution. 3 types. 3 types means first one is gaseous solution. Second one is liquid solution. Third one is solid solution. Second thing, please friends, always remember how to prepare gaseous solution, liquid solution and solid solution. When we have solute and solvent, when here always gas, solid or liquid, out of 3 any one, like suppose gaseous, gas here present and here suppose solid present, then easily we can identify amount of gas is more than solid, and this more amount indicated when we will prepare solution, then this solution prepared is gaseous medium. Why? Because gaseous works as a solvent. Solvent means its amount or quantity present in largest or proportion is high. That's why. Second one is same for liquid. and solid. Then we will start subtypes. First one is gaseous solution. Gaseous solution, here solute, solvent. Example, solute when works as a suppose gas. Solvent also works as a gas. Then gaseous solution, gas plus gas. Gas plus gas means atmospheric air, like O2 when reaction with N2, O2 when reaction with CO2, this type of air when reaction with each other, then formation of gaseous solution. O2 plus N2. Clear? Either N2 plus CO2, O2 plus CO2, etc. Second one is here gaseous solution means gaseous present or works as a solvent. But when addition of liquid and liquid works is solute, then which one is a best example for in this type? Chloroform when dissolve in nitrogen gas, either dissolve with nitrogen gas. CH, Cl3 plus N2. Liquid plus gas. So many types of example present. Second thing, solid plus gas. Amount more present gaseous and less amount of solid present. That's why which solution prepared? Then gaseous solution. Solid plus gas. Gas means O2, N2, CO2, etc. When we will use camphor. Camphor plus N2 or O2. Reaction with air. Camphor means kapoor. Then we can easily say this one is solid plus gaseous and prepare gaseous solution. Then after liquid same gas, liquid, solid. This one works as a solute. But in solvent, here word use liquid. That's why liquid and liquid solvent. And preparation of liquid solution. First example in liquid solution when we will use gas plus liquid. Gas plus liquid means O2 when reaction with water molecule. This one indicated liquid solution. Liquid plus liquid, both are liquid means suppose alcohol when dissolved in water. Next, suppose here we will use benzene. Benzene original state or phase is liquid. When this one reaction with water or some liquid solvent, then preparation of liquid solution. That's why here we will use which one? Alcohol. Then we will use suppose ethyl alcohol or ethanol, C2H5OH. Reaction or mix with water and preparation of liquid solution. Then after solid plus liquid, this one is a best example for you. Glucose, medium is solid, and this one when dissolved in water, then formation of liquid solution. Glucose in place of, you can also use NaCl. This type of solid substance when dissolved in water, then prepare easily liquid solution. Third, solid solution. Total 6 are completed. Now 3 are left. Same, gas, liquid, solid. But here which type of solution is formed? Solid. That's why friends, please compulsory solid used as a solvent. Why? Because when its amount is more present in given solution, then this one known as solid, liquid or gaseous. That's why here solid, solid, solid. Gas plus solid. Gas plus solid means gas, air like O2, N2, CO2, etc. Solid means metal like platinum or palladium. This type of metal when used, then formation of solid solution. Next one is liquid plus solid. Liquid plus solid. Then easily we can say this one works as a one type of amalgam. Amalgam means when sodium reaction with mercury, then preparation of sodium Hg amalgam. Zinc metal when reaction with mercury. Why? Because mercury state is liquid. And when addition or reaction with some solid metal, then formation of amalgam. Mercury amalgam, sodium mercury amalgam, zinc mercury amalgam. Third one is we can also use magnesium mercury amalgam. Next, then after solid plus solid. Solid plus solid, when we will use alloys, means when these two metals react with each other like bronze, German silver and brass. These all are works as a solid solution. And when lady wearing gold jewelry, and this gold jewelry means gold reaction with when some second like amalgam gold plus copper, then the formation of this type of alloy. That's why here best example gold plus copper. Either you can also use bronze, brass and German silver, because these three works as a alloys, and this one present or prepare solid solution. Now completed types of solution, and we will start in next lecture, next topic, some formula for molarity, parts per million, normality, molality, etc. Thank you. We will meet again.